Immobiliser Fit, and it's a brand new 2023 BMW iX protected with a Halo Mini. So when the customer leaves the vehicle, we get two flashes from the full beam, system's active. Now if someone copied the key, started the car, it's going to start up, but when they select a gear, drive or reverse, you'll see it cut out. So we've done drive, we'll just do reverse, the car cuts out. So what the customer's got to do, start the car, go through their unique code, we get a flash, we can select our gear and drive off. Customer can set their own code. So the way they'll do that in this BM, foot off the brake, triple tap the start button to get the ignition on, prove that it's them with their code, and we get our flash. Now with the accelerator, we'll press it 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get a flash, double flash from the full beam, now it's ready to learn the code. So we'll just set left, right, left, turn the car off. We get one flash, that's the code learned. So now, when we start the car the next time, left, right, left is our new code, we get one flash, we can drive off. The customer wants to put this into service mode when they take it back to BM. They don't want anything to, they don't want BM to know anything's fitted. So foot off the brake, triple tap to get the ignition on, pop their code in, and on the last press they'll hold for 15 seconds, and you'll see we get 5 flashes. Now the system's in service mode, we'll turn the car off. This means when BM get it, there'll be no code needed to start the car. It's going to go into gear. The whole system's switched off. When you get it back and you want the vehicle secure, triple tap your foot off the brake, get the ignition on, pop your code in, and like before, hold for 15 seconds. And this time, you won't get 5 flashes. You'll just get 1. So now that's done, turn the car off. As you see, when we open the door, 2 flashes activates the system. If someone gets in, goes to start it, put it in gear, vehicle cuts out. This is the Halo Mini Immobiliser. Like I said, if it doesn't see your code, someone clones your key, puts it in gear, vehicle's going to cut out. So start it up, pop your code in, wait for the flash, select your gear. This is the Halo Mini, we're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393, and this is a brand new 2023 BMW iX fully electric. Thanks for watching.